Hello students of class 5. I hope you all are fine. My Before starting this chapter, let me discuss learning objectives. Means after completing this chapter, what are the things we will be able to understand? Here our chapter name is Know Your Computer. Means we will know what is computer, what are the parts of computer. Now the first point in learning objective is understand how the computer is storing information. Means we will be able to understand how computer is store information for proper functioning. Second point, appreciate the concept of memory. Means we will know what is memory, why we use memory. Third point is difference between primary and secondary memory. What are the difference in primary and secondary memory? We will able to understand. Fourth point is appreciate the use of secondary storage media. Means how we will store our information in storage media. Next one is measure storage capacity. To store information, we will use storage media. So how we can measure capacity of those storage devices. And finally, understand the basic design of CPU. We will understand what is CPU, how CPU work, what are the things needed for proper functioning of CPU. Next, introduction. Computer memory is utilized for storing data or information. Computer memory is used to store data or information. Very first thing I would like to tell you what is data or information. So see children, data means simply what are the things you are getting. Means 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D, Ram, Mohan, Syam. These all are data. From these data, what are the things important for you? You find out from this data. So, information is processed data. Means after processing data, we get information. It is important to learn about the various types of memory used to store data or information. When we have to store information, so we will be well aware of those devices where we can store information. Now look at the picture. There are two friends here, Togo and Togo. I am Togo. Meet my friend Togo. Now Togo, let's play a memory game. Togo, memory game? What is that? Now Togo is saying it is a game where you need to use your memory. Togo is saying let's play a game where we will use our memory. Togo is saying, oh, okay, let's play. Look, just carefully find out any four differences and list these differences in the space provided below. Children, you all have to go through both picture and you have to find out what are the differences and you have to write down below. 4 points means there are 4 differences you have to write. Maybe difference can be more than 4, but you have to write at least 4 differences. After completing this game, you will see that you have used your game. This is your homework. You have to complete it. Now we move to next topic. That is memory. As I told that memory store information. And what is information? Information means process data. Means the things are important for us. Togo, like we use our brain to store information. Similarly, computer use its memory to store the data and information. Togo is saying, like we use our brain. The way we use our brain to store information, similarly, computer use its memory to store data and information. Now again, data. Data means simply raw facts and figure. Simply what are the things we are going to see? Suppose Ram, Mohan, Syam, A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 9, 8, 6, 5, etc. These all are data. And when we will process this data, it will become information. That will be important for us. Suppose you go to your school and you study in your class. Before starting class, there are so many things you discuss with your friend, and most of them information, most of them when you talk, those are not valuable for you. But some talk when you discuss with your friend or your friend discuss with you become important for you. So what you do, you just keep in your mind so that later you can use. Now look at the picture. This is human brain. This also store information, and this is computer memory. This also store information. Now look what Dobo is saying. Dobo is saying, yes, now I understood that as we have one brain, computer has one memory. Dobo is saying that finally I got it, that as we have one brain, computer has one memory. Now Dobo is saying, no, computer has two types of memory. Now Dobo is saying to Dobo that, Dobo, you are wrong. We have only one brain. It is right, but computer has two types of memory. Now we move to next topic, that is types of memory. The first one is primary memory. It is the internal memory of computer system. Primary memory is known as internal memory of computer system. Further, primary memory is of two types. We can all see here. This is RAM, random access memory, and this is read-only memory, ROM. Now we understand what are the differences. As RAM is short-term memory, we know as a RAM short-term memory and ROM long-term memory. Data can be read or written. In RAM, data can be read or data can be write. In ROM, data only we read. Means if you store your data in ROM, only you can read. Further, you cannot write. In RAM, it is volatile in nature. Means here your data will be stored temporarily. Further, it is non-volatile in nature. Means the data stored here is permanently. Next, when power is switched off, the data is lost. Means when you are using RAM, when you switch off your power, then your data will be lost. But in the case of ROM, when power is switched off, the data will not lost. Next, RAM. It holds the data and instructions required and used during processing. RAM, the use of RAM is when you are working on computer and you have to store some information for temporary. You can use RAM. And ROM, it holds the system startup instructions. BIOS. You know, BIOS means basic input output system. Later we will discuss what is BIOS, which is stored by the manufacturer. So see here, ROM and RAM. ROM only reads. What ROM does, ROM only reads. And RAM reads and write. So what does RAM? RAM reads and write. Now, look here. Tobo is saying something. Dobo, let me test your memory. Tobo is saying, Dobo, I want to test your memory. Dobo, my memory. Okay, you can test. Now Tobo, switch on your computer system. Can you tell me which memory is used? Tobo is saying to Dobo, switch on your computer system and please tell me which memory is used. Dobo, oh simple, primary memory, read-only memory, but I have never seen RAM and ROM. Dobo is saying very simple, primary memory, read-only memory, but I have never seen RAM, ROM. Togo, I guess I have a movie on this. What? The movie, how to identify different components inside our computer. Children, here in picture we all can see this is our RAM and this is our ROM. Physically we have seen the differences. For better understanding, here is a link of video. You all can go and you all can watch out. After completing this video, watch this movie carefully and note down any 5 components that were shown in this movie. You have to write 5 components that you have seen. This is also your homework. Okay. And further, you can go through this video link also. You can watch out. And you can complete your homework, that is note down any 5 components of microprocessor that were discussed in about movie. In next lecture, in next class, we will understand what is secondary memory. So whatever the